Okay, here we are. Jailbirds.
Jailbirds.
Yes. Eventually, you know, the ones that like to go back to jail because they either on the block hustling or beating up their girl,
2,
or doing what they're not supposed to be doing,
3.
to go to jail. Is it because?
Obviously, they like to squat.
Yeah, that means squat, you know. Squat and cough.
And cough.
Squat, you know. Squat and cough.
And cough.
Do you like a dude to be looking at your ass while you cough and drop it low?
Drop it low.
Drop it low. Now,
some of these dudes love it. Then
yeah,
they're gonna come out of jail, act gangster, get on the tracks,
yeah,
talk shit,
yeah,
like they doing something.
when in fact they're not doing nothing but going back to jail and doing what?
Squat.
Squat
And cough.
and cough. Squat, you know. Squat and cough.
And cough.
Now, you tell me, is that cool going to jail and getting yourself looked at by a dude telling you to what?
Strip.
Yeah.
Take your clothes off and squat.
and cough. Squat, you know. Squat and cough.
And cough.
So this is for all you jailbirds that go to jail, in and out, and expect to, you know, get love after you ain't been in and out of jail.
They love it, man.
They
love
loving every minute of it when they go to jail.
They love dropping low.
Yeah, they
And
coughing. What? You know, squat and cough.
And cough.
Now, y'all need to stop going to jail. That's it. Just stop going to jail and stop
Dropping. And cough.
and coughing. What? You know, squat and cough.
And cough.
Cause y'all know y'all like to get watched by that man CEO that's telling you take everything off.
And you know them CEO, they enjoy that shit too.
Yeah,
So,
they look at you too.
Obviously, y'all got a little connection there.
Yeah, a connection. Get it? So when that CEO tells you to
Squat.
and
squat.
and cough, he looking at your ass. So obviously you must like jail. Stay out of jail.
Jailbirds.
Jailbirds.